I went to chill with the big boys.
She's a ladytgaopex.
Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you are welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. So today, can you guess? It's a fun video. I went to chill with the big boys. I wish. No, I was on a work visit to the UAE. It was work. No time to play, but I was able to capture some scenery for you, and I know you enjoy it. Dubai, like most modern cities, are full of skyscrapers. I don't know, tribe, am I the only one who finds it difficult to say skyscrapers? Well, anyway, in fact, here it looks as though new ones spring up each time you visit. What's amazing though is to see the new style, old designs standing tall by tall, side by side, proud. I don't know about you, but this is one of the cases where I love the old. It's like an amazeball of architecture. You know, which is your preference, the old style skyscrapers or the new styled one or the modern ones? Share your thoughts, please. Enjoy the view. So my darlings, let me know if you enjoyed this video. As you look out for the next one, don't forget to hit the like and the subscription button. I want to let you know that there is beauty in everything if only you search for it. Bye.